Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got a Volkswagen Golf. TSI model, 1.4 litre supercharged, turbocharged. They call it a twin charge motor. So the car came in with a lot of coolant coming from the bottom, and a lot of noise from the actual drive line at the front. So I've removed everything out now. Took longer because the parts came out late. Plus I was very busy anyway. But this is the brand new one. Brand new pump. It's a twin pump. One for the water pump and one for the supercharger. So, all right. This is the old one. It's already coming apart. See that? You see the actual seam there? That's loose. That's a brand new one. Can't move it. Can't move it as much. But this one here is very noisy and loose. So let me spin it. Alright. We're gonna change that and then put some fresh coolant in the car. Change the oil and double check everything and go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.